Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Settings, go straight to Wallpaper and Style so you can change the lock screen behavior. Once there, tap Dynamic Lock Screen or Wallpaper Services to access rotating wallpaper collections. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi because collections download images. This avoids mobile data charges and speeds up previews. You'll see available collections. Select one briefly to preview. Once done, proceed to configure rotation options and permissions so the phone can update the lock screen automatically. Now you choose which images will rotate on the lock screen and why that matters. Different collections determine style and variety. Tap a collection or add your own photos, then enable shuffle or rotation and set how often images change, on unlock or daily, for example. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted, media access and possibly background activity for the wallpaper service. These permissions let the system fetch and rotate images reliably. Without them, rotation may stop or fail to update. Finish by applying the selection to the lock screen only or both screens depending on your preference, then lock and unlock the phone a few times to confirm rotation works. If images don't change, check that the wallpaper service has background activity permission and that battery optimization isn't restricting it. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily turn off battery saver or exempt the wallpaper app from optimization. This resolves most failures where images stop updating due to power restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.